Hey all out there in YouTube land. I'm bringing you an update that should not be a surprise to anyone. Anyone who's following any preppers or any type that are in this community, the garden community, we are all aware that our grocery prices are going to go up. I hadn't heard too much through the news, but now it's hitting mainstream and letting people know that guess what? Groceries are going to be even more expensive in 2022. Now, we all saw this. Everyone in this community that we are in, the gardening and prepping community, we saw this coming. And so we have been trying to, hedge ourselves against this inflation and price gouging and things of that sort. And of course, the best way to do that is through gardening. And so for those who are in a home, start gardening, start learning how to garden. That's what I'm doing. I never gardened before, and I'm now learning how to do it. Those who are in an apartment, try to find a way to grow indoors. See if you can dedicate some space to grow your food, and learn to make multiple things with vegetables. It's beyond just steaming and roasting and maybe frying vegetables, or there's many different ways that you can prepare vegetables that will appease your palate, so that you won't get tired of salads all the time. But you can Google, recipes, vegetable recipes, or just different things in whole food, plant-based. A lot of recipes there, ways to do things and manipulate vegetables so that it's not the same old mundane vegetables. But yes, everyone, we are all aware that grocery prices are going up. There's an article here that was on CNN. There's another article here. This one's up and down the supermarket aisle. Food prices are going up, and why we will be paying more. Well, we already know. If anyone has been following the different preppers and anyone in the garden community and the prepper community, we all know that it's, manufacturing, it's logistics, it's restrictive, there's so many things that are going into why they are increasing our prices and so forth. And again, if you're not growing your food, you need to grow your food. And here's another one. Ice cream recall. And now this affects mostly the Southeast, and this is for the Howling Cow butter almond ice cream. And not because the ice cream is bad, but the ice cream has bits of cookie dough in the batch. And so if anyone has any gluten sensitivity or any things like that, or any other dietary sensitivities, as it says, it's not listed in the ingredients, and if you eat it, you can become ill or sick or have some type of reaction to it. And prior to that, we had recall on salad, recall on meat, recall on drinks. Everyone, you need to learn how to juice. You need to learn how to make your own ice cream and sorbets, and grow as much food as you can, and try to make your own breads and things. Try to do as much as possible at home. And if you don't have the time, you have to generally find the time on your days off to get these things done, so that you know where your food is coming from, and you can a lot of times cut down on your cost if you're not eating processed foods and packaged goods. If you're making your food from the whole form, a lot of times it's less expensive than it is when it's already been processed. So, because you're paying for convenience. So, alright everyone, this was just a quick video, just giving everyone a heads up that if you're not doing it, we need to be doing it. You need to get on it and need to get serious about growing your food, cooking from scratch, as I do, whole food, plant-based, and making as much as possible any type of drinks. You need to learn how to make, different types of teas and different mixes of juices, and get a juicer that you can juice and make your own juices at home. Now, will it be soda? No, it won't. But can it save your life? Yes, it can. So, alrighty, y'all. That's all I wanted to say. Nothing super heavy or deep. Just keep your head on swivel. Watch out for what's going on. Watch your back. They're coming for us, everyone. So they're really just hitting us in our pockets with this. But if you're growing your food at home or finding ways to supplement your grocery bill, all the better. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.